Hello, my name is Jaenah binti Lusar. My matrix number is CP20110013. Okay, for the introduction, RH factor are closely related to the RH blood group system. The RH blood group system is a classification system for blood that depends on the presence or absence of RH antigens or factor on red blood cells. RH factor is an inherited protein, so being in RH negative or RH positive is determined by the parent's blood. Every pregnant woman gets the RH factor test during each pregnancy. RH factor should be a constant if the mother is RH negative and the baby is RH positive, because there is a chance that the baby and mother blood are mixed, as the blood cell from an RH positive baby crossing its RH negative mother bloodstream might trigger an immune response on the mother body. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rayhan Firdaus bin Rusli, matrix number FA20110012. Today I will represent problem statement and objective. The problem statement: Aaron, a positive RH factor man that has blood type A+, plan to get married with his beloved sweetheart, Jasmine, whose blood type is similar with Aaron but has a negative RH factor A negative. First, what are the effects of different races on the baby if Jasmine gets pregnant? And the second, how to identify the compatibility of rhesus factor in blood during Jasmine's pregnancy. And third, how rhesus antibodies developed at Jasmine and the effects of its antibody to the baby. The objectives are: first is to study what is rhesus factor in blood. Second, to identify the compatibility of the rhesus factor in blood with pregnancy. And third, to determine how rhesus antibodies develop and the effects of its antibody. That is all from me.
My name is Genovese and my matric number is FA20110004. As for today, I would like to talk about the discussion. For the first objective, what is RH factor? RH factor is a protein on the surface of the red blood cells. RH positive can be determined if the blood cells contain this protein, and RH negative means that the blood cells lack this protein. If the blood cells are Rh negative and the fetus is Rh positive, complications will arise during pregnancy, but these issues can be treated through treatment. The Rh aspect is hereditary, which means it passed down through generations. For example, in this situation, Aaron is blood type A Rh positive and Jasmine is blood type A Rh negative. As for the second objective, it is about the compatibility of rhesus factor in blood during pregnancy. When a Rh positive fetus blood enters a Rh negative woman's bloodstream, her body recognizes that it's not hers. This will cause a problem because antibodies would be generated and destroys the blood cells of the fetus. And there is a possibility that the baby would have a blood type A Rh factor positive, since Aaron is a positive Rh factor. This can happen during pregnancy when there is bleeding, trauma, and so on.
Hello, my name is Enstine, the DBTU's matrix number FA20160036, and I will be continuing the discussion. Antibodies increase will likely effect when the woman is pregnant for the second time, and would kill the fetus. Rh antibody produced in a woman's body during pregnancy will affect the placenta and attack the Rh factor on the fetus blood cell. This could form severe types of anemia in the fetus, in which the body's ability to replace the red blood cell is outpaced by the body's ability to kill them. Red blood cells transport oxygen across the body. The fetus would not get enough oxygen if there's aren't enough red blood cell, and this could cause anemia and may kill a fetus or newborn. In some cases may lead to death. A newborn skin will be yellowish due to a brownish yellow substance formed from the breakdown of red cell in the body, which may also be caused by Rh incompatibility. Moving on, Rh incompatibility can cause complication during pregnancy, but they can be avoided if Jasmine baby has a rhesus positive blood type and Jasmine is a negative rhesus. Jasmine could get an injection of a medication anti-D or called as RHOD immune globulin rogam. The purpose of the treatment is to prevent Rh antibody from being produced in the first place in Rh negative women. This is accomplished by determining whether Jasmine are Rh negative early in the pregnancy or before conception, and, if necessary, prescribing medication to prevent the formation of antibodies. Another way to prevent this is to adopt or use a contraception to prevent pregnancy and from getting pregnant, such as taking the contraceptive implant, contraceptive injection, and more. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vanisha and my matrix number is FA20110014. Okay, today I will talk about conclusion. In conclusion, the situation where Aaron is rhesus positive, the bloods A+, and Jasmine is rhesus negative, the bloods A-. There is a possibility that their baby will get rhesus positive. The rhesus aspect can be treated rough treatment by injecting an anti-D into Jasmine's blood to prevent the antibodies from being produced in and rhesus negative. Rhesus factor from Jasmine or Aaron, and when a woman negative and her fetus is rhesus positive, it is called rhesus incompatibility. Rhesus positive fetus and the woman will produce more antibodies. Rhesus positive can be determined if the blood cell contains this protein. Considering the result of the study, it can be concluded that ABO blood subgroup and rhesus positive could constitute a risk factor in the development of incompatibility disease. In this situation, Jasmine may have a risk of losing her baby. That's all from me. Thank you.